This is Agadir Marina Bay. On Marina Bay there is men's Zara and women's Zara in the middle at the back. And then you're cutting past lots of boats. This is my first time trying this on my DJI mic mini, and I'm gonna test this sound. Let's see and how it goes. We're walking down the Marina Beach, Marina, and I'll be walking down the marina in a little while. No one can call me.
Yeah, I know.
See? What is this? Marina. Let's see what shops there are.
خلي بضربني كتير هكا كذا.
I'm not buying random things like this is cool coffee or cold coffee. I might have to speed it up a bit when I get to editing. We'll see. Ooh, Lacoste there as well. The British brand that we know, but we don't know how original these things are.
والله هذه المعلمين عندك انا افكر لا تسبح لا والله انا بضبط
Well secured area. Past everyone. Not faster. I think there's a lot of work happening around Agadir to promote them, to make it as a tourist as possible, like Dubai. But it's probably going to become a upgoing place. What is this? I think it's time to come back. Should go at the end and then come back. It is a rundown. And there is just lots of restaurants on this corner. Maybe Google Maps might like it, but we'll see. We are heading back from the marina. Somewhere is dangerous. Okay, we're exiting the marina. Oh, my mic. Okay, I will make sure I won't pop. Yeah. Marina, Agadir. And there's police everywhere for safety. Where's my mic? Okay, you're gonna talk in my mic for me. Oh. We are walking down the marina.
Walking down the
Morocco? Okay. And then we're in Agadir. Say we're in Agadir?
We're in Agadir.
Yeah. We are on Agadir? Yeah. Yeah? Sorry? Oh, is it need charging? We'll charge it when we get back. 60%?
Yeah.
Did it switch off after you turned it off?
Yeah.
How can it be dead?
I used it a lot.
Okay.
I used it.
No, if you go at the end, it might be better. Okay, so the taxi guy said 30 for 2 taxi, and now he said 50 for 2 taxi. Why should we pay more? Because we are tourists. That's what they do. Say that, someone?
That would touch this. That would touch this. They would do.